This is my first time in the library. This is great. Checking out the library is overdue. The first thing to do in the library is check out where everything is. Here's the computer station. Got it? Here are the books. Wow, they smell great. And who are you?
I'm the librarian, and I'm here to help you find books and any information that you need.
What else do I need to know about the library?
Well, there are library rules, such as don't eat food in the library, especially around technology and books. Another rule is you need to use your inside voice.
Got it. Got it.
And most important, just have fun exploring the world around you. If you need any help, just ask me.
Oh, you wouldn't believe what these brain games have done for my memory, Richard.
My name is Cosmo.
Oh, that's quite right. Sorry about that, old chap.
Who is that talking so loud? What are you guys doing? You know you have to use your... Oh, goodbye. I was talking about inside voices, but I guess you'll learn that later. Okay, bye guys. Okay, it's time to find my perfect book. Maybe that one? No, I don't want that. What about, this one? No, that's terrible. I think it's that one? No, I don't want any of those, especially not the one about tattling. I cannot keep the library books on the ground. I'm gonna have to put them back right where they go. But not there, that's not the right place. You always need to put your library books back in their proper spot because there is order. That one goes there, that one goes there. Got it. Got it.
Oh, did you find a good book?
Yes, I got this one about organization.
Here, let me scan that for you. Remember, take good care of your book, and it's due back in a week.
Thank you, library man. I'll bring it back. Off to get organized. Okay, Kazu, we're going to make some lunch, and then we're going to read this book. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh, you got a little bit on the book. Let me get a paper towel for that. Kazu, no, don't do that. Don't peck on my book. I'm gonna take it away from you now. Look what you did. I'm gonna put it just right over here in the safe place. Oh no, that is much worse than ketchup. I'm just gonna put some water under here. Okay, this is better, but not great. Oh no, I have to turn it back in. Oh, here we go. Hello, library man. I brought back my book and it's definitely on time. This is how I found it. It is not great. I think I might be in trouble.
Courtney, you always need to take good care of library books. Otherwise, you have to pay for them.
I was afraid you might see that, and my mom made me bring my chore money. There you go. I'm very sorry about that. I love the library. I will book a time to come back.